Today we're going to be making some tartlet cups. So last night I mixed up and rolled out this dough. It's made from flour, powdered sugar, and butter. I'll put the recipe down in the description. So this has been sitting in the fridge all night and it's cold and stiff. So we're going to work on trying to soften this up, get it rolled out and put our tartlet cups together. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, that's what we're doing. Making some tartlet cups. We're going to cook them in a standard muffin pan. I don't have a tartlet pan per se, so we can cook those in a standard muffin pan. Go ahead. Just a little bit of flour on this counter here. Just a little light dusting. That's all that is. A little light dusting there. There you go. All right. So you can see we have a kind of a thick crust right now. Let's put, again, a light coating. So I'm going to continue trying to press her a little bit. Press her out. Press her out. Nice and easy. Okay, we'll press her backwards a little bit. She's stretching. Nice. Let's see if we can see what we got here. We're going to do the same thing the other way. Stretch her, press and stretch. And we'll get it working a little bit and we'll go ahead and roll it. We need to get this down to about an eighth of an inch or so. All right, let me see if I can turn it one more time without tearing it up. We're in pretty good shape there. Dust this side. Let's see if we can do it without. Oh, that wasn't very good. What I'm going to do is probably toss it and start over. But it wouldn't be right to not at least make an attempt at making a cut. So I'm going to cut one here. Cut one here. Nice pan, or a nice piece there. And I'm going to set that into the pan on top. And we're going to press, I got to get it pressed down slightly into the bottom. Wow. Nice. We just molded it into the bottom of the pan, and I'll use my little topper here. Top it down a little bit. All right, I was able to get out of that first little thing there, I was able to get 8 cups pressed out, so I gathered up the dough here. I'm gonna try to get this molded back to, or I will get it molded back together and press out some more cups. All right, I cut out 8 more. Let's see if we can get these down in the cups. What we're doing is just taking it and laying it, and then taking both fingers and sliding it down gently. Slide it down gently into the cup. Piece of cake. Let's get another one here. Layer on top. I'm going to gently Okay. Nice and easy. Let's just push her down. Try to get her as even as we can. So again, this is my first time making these, so everything I do is a learning. It's a learning thing. And we can get that rounded out really nice. That's a perfect little cup down in there. I'll take this one off the edge. Alrighty, we got our cups made. It's time to bake them. I have the oven preheated for 325. So what we're going to do is we're going to weigh our cups down a little bit. These little muffin cups, these reusable silicones, they sit down in the bottom of this pan perfectly. And let's go ahead and put that one back there. I think I should have enough muffin cups for that. And we're going to add a little various ways to do this. Some people have beads and things like that. I have some brown rice here. I'm just going to add a little weight to the cup. All right, got our cups filled with rice. Lots of weight to them. We'll set them in the oven. 325. We'll put them on the center rack, and we're gonna bake those about 15 minutes or so. All righty, we got them done about 6 minutes in to the 9 minutes in. I pulled the muffin cups off, but look at this beautiful little tart cups that we made. We can do that with any type of filling that we want. Then I'm going to take these out and let them cool outside the pan. Yay! Success, folks, success. We made little tartlet cups. All righty, got them out of the pan. They're nice and toasted on the bottom. All of them are toasted on the bottom. They are done. So I have some thoughts on what I'm going to do with these, but I haven't finalized those thoughts yet. So I'm tickled to death. I was able to do it. Like I mentioned early on, that I tried to order some of these shells. Pillsbury makes a little tartlet shell in the frozen section, and tried to order some around the Mother's Day time frame, and they were out of stock. So that's about it. I guess I'll just stop talking, say success. We made us a tartlet cups. We'll come back and do another little clip or another video when we fill them up and puff them up or whatever we do. Thanks for coming by, folks.